Today we will introduce a car screen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to you. A car screen that supports Android Auto can be a great addition to your vehicle. You can connect your Android phone to the car screen and access a variety of apps and features. To use Android Auto, you simply need to connect your Android phone to the car screen using a cable. Once connected, you can access a variety of apps and features, including navigation, music, messaging, and more. It can be a great investment for those who want to make the most of their Android phone while on the road. A wide vision front camera allows for a broader view of the road ahead, providing enhanced safety and situational awareness for drivers. Especially useful for drivers who spend a lot of time on the road, as it allows for ongoing monitoring and recording. This can help drivers stay aware of their surroundings and make informed decisions while behind the wheel. That's all for today's video. If you like it, you can like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.